How'd that feel, bro?
Hey, Dr. Yondakai.
Watch, they're getting real hard. Fucking Habib, man.
Go. 1, 2, 3.
Still the defending champ, how you feel?
Champions.
It's gonna start getting hard now.
Oh,
Robocon. This guy looks like a beast.
Go.
We get 25 cents.
Ranked third.
Nice.
Start going, I'm done.
That's it? What'd you put? Easy? You had to, bro.
Try it again. I'll do third hard.
Alright.
Goliath.
Goliath. Whoa! Look at this guy.
Look at him.
Alright, here we go. Goliath. There's Douglas.
1, 2, 3.
Took down Goliath. Look, he's crying. He's crying.
This thing's all messed up, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sumo. This guy's a fat ass. Take him, bro. Boom. Draw.
Another chance.
He's giving you another chance.
Wanna try it?
Probably get my ass kicked, bro. Your arms are stronger than mine.
1, 2, 3.
He was weak. He was tired. You tired him out. Look at that fat bastard crying like a baby. He's going against the champ. Checking on the kids.
That's it.
Because you fucking tied.
I want to just go for the